hosts and artists. For the festival director, how did you choose the lineup of artists, of performers, and the list of people that we can expect?
In terms of lineup, we make sure that everyone is represented. That's why if you're gonna take a look at the list, hindi lang siya Manila based. We also have artists from Baguio, from Cebu, from Davao, and at the same time, we have artists from the region, from Singapore, from Indonesia, from Taiwan, New Zealand. So yeah, so this event is an opportunity for us to come together, and the programming pa naman, it's more centered on community building. That's why in terms of like curation of lineup, very intentional kami na we want everyone to be represented. We want everyone to have a voice. At the same time, we want to foster collaboration then. That's why apart from the actual festival itself or actual event itself, we also have studio sessions, and then we kind of paired some of our international lineup with our Filipino artists. So abangan nyo yun. That's something that we're going to isa yun sa mga output namin and sa mga plano naming i-promote in the coming months din.
I will also want to add to the studio sessions kasi this is first time actually doing the studio sessions collaboration. Also, although it's private, we want something that lives beyond the festival. Like I said, it's not just an entertainment event, so it's not just that happens on 17, 18, 19, but there's something that would live after all of the noise. And also, I just wanted to point out that the programming that we have, the panels, especially the curation of the lineup. We've been doing it since the first edition in 2018. Before then, we have actually more artists from across the country. We have artists from Dumaguete, Cagayan de Oro, everywhere talaga it's really represented. And for us, kasi we don't, to his point about collaboration, cross-cultural outreach, we want to make not only champion and celebrate Filipino music artistry and creative excellence, but also want to make sure that everyone who are interested or just hear Filipino music somewhere and wants to like find out more about what goes on in our scene. We want them to feel like there is a space like All of the Noise where they can actually check out and also maybe meet people, meet artists, discover new things. Na it's not just okay listening to music. What else can be done? So yeah,
There's more to listening to music.
definitely
Ito yung
yes,
maabangan ng public at
yeah,
ng fans dito sa event.
yes, yes.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.